Join me as I take on the challenge to improve my metabolic health in just 1 week. Let's see what changes I can make. Metabolic health is the foundation of our overall well-being and longevity. It's the engine that keeps our bodies running smoothly, and when it's firing on all cylinders, we feel energetic, focused, and ready to take on the day. You know, it's no secret that metabolic health issues are on the rise. Millions of people are struggling with obesity, diabetes, and high cholesterol, and these conditions can have a profound impact on our quality of life. Imagine not being able to do the things you love because you're held back by fatigue or pain. Imagine feeling like you're losing control of your body and your health. According to the World Health Organization, obesity alone is responsible for over 3 million deaths worldwide each year. It's a staggering statistic, and it's not just about the numbers. It's about the people behind those numbers. It's about the families who are affected, the lives that are cut short, and the dreams that are put on hold. But here's the thing, metabolic health issues are often preventable and they're almost always reversible. By making small changes to our daily habits and routines, we can kickstart our metabolism and transform our health. So, what does it take to improve our metabolic health? Well, for starters, we need to talk about nutrition. We need to focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. We need to limit our intake of sugary drinks, fast food, and processed snacks. And we need to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise is also critical. We don't need to become gym rats or marathon runners, but we do need to get our bodies moving regularly. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a game of tennis, exercise can help boost our metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. And then there's lifestyle. We need to prioritize sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours each night, and create a relaxing bedtime routine to help us wind down. We need to manage our stress levels, whether through meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking a few minutes each day to focus on the present moment. I want to share a powerful success story with you. I recently spoke with a woman named Sarah who had been struggling with her weight for years. She was diagnosed with prediabetes and was told she needed to make some serious changes if she wanted to avoid a lifetime of medication and doctor's appointments. So, she started small. She began by cutting out sugary drinks and replacing them with water. She started taking short walks around her neighborhood after dinner, and she made a commitment to cook healthy meals at home instead of relying on takeout. Fast forward a few months and Sarah had lost over 20 pounds. Her blood sugar levels had normalized and she had more energy than she'd had in years. But here's the best part. She didn't feel like she was missing out on anything. She didn't feel deprived or restricted. She felt empowered, like she was taking control of her health for the first time in her life. The key takeaway from Sarah's story is that small changes can add up to make a big impact. We don't need to overhaul our entire lives or try to make drastic changes all at once. We just need to start with 1 or 2 things and build from there. As we wrap up today's video, I want to leave you with a sense of hope and empowerment. Remember, metabolic health is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about making small changes each day, building healthy habits, and celebrating our successes along the way. Thanks for watching, and if you have a metabolic health success story you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more health tips and tricks, be sure to check out my video on the top 10 foods to boost your energy levels.